we're gonna do today. We're gonna do the planting. I'm going to replant my tomatoes with this 3 bucket here. And look my onions, it's growing well. And look my potatoes. That's potatoes. Another potatoes. Potatoes. Look my cherries. Cherries is looking well as well. And the cherries again. We go for a walk. Quarantine is kind of boring, aren't they? Weather nice. You can see the sun. Just keep walking. What are you doing? Yeah, social distancing.
No red star.
So it's an airplane, yeah? It's a rocket.
No, it's a scallion. Sand. It's supposed to be light.
Huh?
I'm just gonna put it in my pocket.
But this is gonna fall.
Start from there. Going up. Huh? We go for a walk. The two is doing jogging. Hi, social distance. You do the piano. Of course. Practice a guitar. What else? We bake a cookies. Yum. Oh yeah. Today is just press that like this. See? It's a plain cookies. Just like that. Until all done. So I have all done, see? And I have the oven preheated for 180 degrees. So I'm gonna bake this for 16 to 18 minutes. It is cooked. I'm hungry.
We play a board game?
Yeah. We can play a board game. Yes! I am the winner! Yes!
No, I'm the winner.
Okay, whose turn?
Mine.
Or you could let that in.
No, like that.
It's very dangerous. Now.
Mother, could you give me your weird flower thing? Teach me major.
Yes!
Major.
Well, you're going out.
Guillermo, do you raspberries?
I hate you.
Oh, yay!
Anna, get tomatoes.
I am the winner!
I'm the winner.
No, Dad is the winner.
Dad.
What? You say I'm done as well? No, but you have to count up how many.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.